In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or delete customers and vendors in QuickBooks. If you ever need to correct contact details, update business information, or remove a record you no longer use, QuickBooks makes the process fairly simple. The key is knowing where to find the right profile and understanding the difference between editing a record and deleting or making it inactive. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can make changes with confidence. Start by opening QuickBooks and signing into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll be ready to choose whether you want to manage a customer or a vendor. If you're working with customer records, click Sales, then select Customers. If you're managing vendor records instead, click Expenses, then select Vendors. This takes you to the list where all of those profiles are stored. From there, locate the customer or vendor you want to update. You can scroll through the list or use the search feature if you have a lot of records. Taking a moment to confirm you've selected the correct name is important, especially if there are similar entries. Next, click the Edit option beside the name. This will open the profile details so you can make any necessary changes. You might be updating an address, changing a company name, correcting a phone number, or adjusting other account information. Once you've made the updates, review everything carefully, then click Save to apply the changes. Saving ensures the updated information is reflected throughout your QuickBooks records. If instead you want to remove the customer or vendor, begin by opening that person or company's profile. Inside the profile, click More, then choose Delete or Make Inactive, depending on the option available in your version of QuickBooks. In many cases, making a record inactive is the safer choice because it removes it from active use without fully erasing related history. That can be especially helpful for maintaining clean records while still preserving past transactions. After selecting the option you want, confirm the action when prompted. QuickBooks will then process the change and update your list accordingly. Be sure you really want to proceed before confirming, since deleting or deactivating a profile can affect how you view that contact going forward. And that's all it takes to edit or delete customers and vendors in QuickBooks. Once you know where these options are, keeping your records organized becomes much easier. Thanks for watching.